Hey, well, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. This is Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, coming back again as always to you live and direct. I hope all is well with you. Hope you're having a great day. Hope it's sunny and warm in your neck of the woods, and if it's not, that's okay. Yeah, so I'm back again to encourage us all to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus and in Christ Jesus alone. I just finished our dinner. I sauteed some kale in olive oil, a little butter, with some white onion and garlic, and I used some balsamic vinegar and whatnot. I also made some white rice, parboiled rice, and I smothered some liver and onions with garlic and that, and so I got that in some gravy. That should be done in a few minutes now. So I said, let me put together a nice dessert for a little midweek, dinner or whatever. So I promised that I would do that. Someone requested, I was talking about the dump cake that I was going to make from this butter pecan cake mix that I saw in Dollar Tree. I thought that was pretty interesting. So I said I should make a dump cake from it, because normally, we all have our recipes for dump cakes or whatever, or something similar to it. So I said I would, I asked, what should I do? Should it be peach? And Kim, the life of this housewife, said yes. So I have here some sliced peaches that I normally get, frozen peaches that I normally get from Dollar Tree. I use these for smoothies and dump cakes. We call them sweets in our home. But I usually use these for different things. So I got those. I did have 2 of them for this particular recipe, and this is how I make them. Although I might have been taught differently, because it was my father that taught us to make these. And everybody, like I said, everybody probably has a recipe for it. Now, if I was doing a white, if I was doing yellow cake or a Bisquick, I would probably, after putting the cake on, the flour mixture on, I would probably add something. And what I normally, because you can add whatever flavor you like. I like to just sprinkle it on top, like nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, allspice, ground allspice, whatever, I have pumpkin pie spice, cloves, different things like that. But what I normally do, and I'm going to be putting them in my 6-inch cast iron frying pans. So what I normally do to get started, vanilla extract or essence, whatever you like. I just put a splash in, splash in, splash in. Oh, that's a lot in there, but that's fine. So I have some I didn't put in this one, so I'm going to put it in here. So I'm just going to put that in here. Uh-oh, fell on the counter. Counter's clean. So put that to the side. Adjust this a little bit so that it's neat inside of here. So can you see? See? Yeah, so just put those inside. And then, like I said, I would just want to adjust them so that there's, okay, so then just a splash, or however much, and you can use whatever flavor extract or whatever you like in yours. And I don't add any sugar. This is sweet enough. It's good. The topping is going to be sweet enough for me anyway. So then you would just place, cover your peaches or your fruit, whatever fruit you like, because I used strawberry, all different types of berries, dry, and I add, like sometimes, and when I use my frozen berries, I will add a dry berry alongside it, you know, or with it. So, so I use different types of fruit. Pineapple, love my blueberries, you know, mango, whatever you feel like. So, let me just put these in here. And you just kind of just dump it in here. Oh, I'm so amazed when my father taught us this. Cupcake, huh? And I'm thinking it's going to be a cake, but it's just a cake mix. So, once you have dumped your cake on your fruit the way you like, then you will, excuse me, then you will put your butter on. Sometimes I've used like a coconut oil before, but you know, you can use whatever you like. I just use like a pat of butter. Just a pat will do, and you know, you just slice them and just place them sort of, not necessarily randomly, but give them a little bit of space. Bit to space. So I think this would, because of the size of these, 4 or 5 pats of butter would be very sufficient for this. I don't know if you can see this. They are, yeah. So about 4 or 5 pats of butter will be sufficient for that. So I'm going to finish this off. Place them on a cooking sheet, a baking sheet. Put them in the oven at on about 400 at about, for about, you know, 20 minutes or so, like that. And then I'll come back. I also want to show you, so I'm using this, I've been enjoying this, this little rose salve. It's a Bigelow. And I know the other day I was telling you how this thing, it was so loose, but I didn't think about it. But all I did was sort of like just pinch like this. I just, because it's just aluminum or, you know, tin, T-I-N. So I just, you know, squoze it a little bit, and boom, voila, it fits, you know, so nicely. It doesn't come loose now. So just wanted to show you that and what I did and how I didn't even think about it in the first place. But anyway, give me a little time and I'll come back with the finished product. Thanks for watching. Hold on. Okay, so we're back. So we're back with the dump cake, the peach dump cake made with this butter pecan cake mix. So this is my first time making this with that, and I hope it turns out well. So this is what it looks like. It looks like creme brulee. Looks like it has a creme brulee topping. You know, looks lovely. So what I'm going to do is do a little taste test. I should have showed you when it came out. I love the bubbling that it has, so I just let it cool some, because I have some sour cream. I always eat my, like if I have sweets, excuse me, give me a minute. I think this thing is too loud in the background. You probably can't hear it, but it's too loud for me right now. So, yeah, so like if I have any sweets that I want to like cut the sweetness down, I always use a sour cream. I'm not a big whipped cream user, whatever, unless it's a banana split. That's one of my favorite desserts. So I'm going to use it. It's not really all of that. Well, let me use this first. It's not really, what do you call it? It's really liquidy, for, you know, it's liquidy. It's not really thick. But I'm going to, let me see, which one did I choose? So let me show you again. I don't know if your light is coming in pretty good, because my lighting is something else. But yeah, it browned differently too. I don't normally, maybe I kept it in a little longer, or it's either something in that browned it. Let me just Yeah, I don't know which one to choose, but anyway, let me just choose this. So I'm going to choose this one. Uh-oh, somebody's at the door. So I'm going to choose this. Let me see. I don't want somebody barging in on my video. Okay, I'm back. I just I didn't want someone to mess up my video. So anyway, let me taste this. Oh, I hope it's good. Hope it's good. I love that little crust on there. Those peaches are nice. And then I didn't tell you, but like I always add these frozen. I don't thaw them or anything like that. It's going to cook anyway. So this is pretty hot. So let me taste it. Oh, it's so hot. Wow. Oh. Wow. Oh. Not really. Oh my goodness, so good. It's so good. It's so like buttery, like brown butterish. Oh, it's really good. Oh my goodness, it's really good. I like this a lot. It's not really, to me though, it's not really a big change. I'm gonna put a little sour cream on it. It's not really a big change from using plain or yellow cake mix or Bisquick or something. Well, yellow cake mix, because Bisquick is different. But it does have a difference in it, but oh, it's really good. Okay. It's nice. That's all. It's good. It's really nice though. I mean, I shouldn't say it doesn't have a big difference, but it does make a difference. But just not a huge, big difference, but it is really, really good. And I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Kim, wife of this Life of this Housewife, for requesting this video. So this is our dump cake video, peaches with that super moist butter pecan flavor. So I hope you try this video. Let me know if you do. If you have any questions, please let me know. We're getting ready to eat our dinner now. Again, we have made liver and onions, sauteed kale, and we're having nice rice. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye for now. This is Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, signing out for now. Please be reminded to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus and in Christ Jesus alone, because all other ground is sinking sand.